friends, I am teaching physics to BSc third year students. My topic is classical mechanics and we are studying about the Lagrange applications and the simple application of Lagrange formulation to the simple pendulum. We all know that the simple pendulum means there is one bob and this bob is attached to the rigid support. The length of the string tied to the bob is L. When this bob gets displaced from the original position, then it will oscillate about the mean position. So let us consider that this bob gets displaced through some distance s and through some angle theta. Okay. Then this I will draw one perpendicular as B. And this point is as O, this point is as C. So I will find here the value of theta as theta is equal to, that is angle is equal to arc upon radius, S upon L. Therefore S is equal to L into theta. S is a distance. Okay. Now I will find the velocity. V is equal to rate of change of displacement with respect to time, that is ds upon dt. So I will substitute here the value of s, therefore I will find value as velocity as d by dt of L into theta. Okay. L is constant, so I can write here V is equal to L into d theta upon dt, which can be written as V is equal to L d theta by dt as theta dash. Now, with the help of this velocity of the pendulum, I will find the kinetic energy as T is equal to half mv square. That is the formula, half mv square. Okay. Now I will substitute the value of V as L into theta dash. So half m into L into theta dash square. So our equation will become half m L square theta dash square. This is the value of kinetic energy T. Now I will find the potential energy. Potential energy means up to the height BC. Okay. So here potential energy V is equal to mg into this distance BC. This distance BC. Okay. Potential energy at this point is 0. Now when I displace this to the another position, then the potential change in potential energy up to a distance BC, and this BC can be written as mg into OC minus OB. OC minus OB. OC minus OB. OC minus OB is BC. OC is L, length of the pendulum. So mg into L minus OB. OB means this distance. And this distance, if this angle is theta, this length is L, then we can say that it is L cos of theta. So it is L cos of theta. I will take L common and it will become mg L into 1 minus cos of theta. This is the value of V. Now to find the Lagrange equation, I want to find the value of L. L is equal to T minus V. L is equal to T minus V. Okay. The value of T is half m L square theta dash square minus value of V is mg 1 minus mg L 1 minus cos of theta. 1 minus cos of theta. This is the value of L. Now, what I will do here? I will differentiate. I will find dou L by dou T. Dou L by dou theta. Dou L by dou theta. So I will differentiate with respect to theta. So here I will get half ml square into 2 theta dash. This minus mg as it is, derivative of 1 is mgl as it is, derivative of 1 is 0, minus derivative of cos theta is sine of theta. sine of theta. So equation will become this 2 get cancel, ml square theta dash minus will become plus here. Derivative of cos theta is minus sine theta. So it will be minus plus, and then again it will be minus mgl sine of theta. Now I will write the equation for Lagrange using Lagrange formula. And Lagrange formula is d by dt of dou L by dou t minus dou L by dou theta. It will be dou theta. This is the Lagrange formula equal to 0. Substitute here the value of dou L by dou theta as d by dt of dou L by dou theta, that is m L square theta dash minus, and it again this is minus become plus mgl sine of theta should be equal to 0, dou by dou t of this one. So if I differentiate this, you will get here ml square theta double dash, it will be theta double dash plus mgl sine of theta should be equal to 0. Sine of theta should be equal to 0. So divide by m, l square theta double dash plus gl sine of theta should be equal to 0. If I divide it by n, if I divide by l square theta double dash plus g by l sine of theta should be equal to 0. This is the Lagrange equation for our simple pendulum, and this is the equation of the simple harmonic motion. If theta is very small, then sine of theta is approximately equal to theta. Sine of theta is approximately equal to theta. Therefore, theta double dash plus g by l theta should be equal to 0. This is the equation known as the Lagrange equation for the simple pendulum, whose time period is 2 pi root over L upon G. So with the help of the Lagrange equation, we can derive the equation of the simple harmonic motion as theta double dash plus g by L theta is equal to 0. Thank you.